Hello guys, welcome to my space. So on today's video we're going to be learning how to do photo editing with Snapseed, how to move your image from a bad quality image into a good image, from low quality to HD quality. So that's what we're going to be discussing in this video tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. Before we proceed, please don't forget that this is Create Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and then turn on the notification to stay updated anytime we drop a video like this. So let's proceed. First, I need to tap on my screen and then go and import the image I want to use for this particular video. Okay, so this is the image we're going to be using as a reference for this particular video. You can try it with any other image that you see that has a blur effect, okay, that is not clear. Okay, you can see the same effect that I'm doing in this video. So when I import my image like this, so I'm going to go and tap on this place to bring out different tools that I have under Snapseed. So the first one I'm going to be applying here is the tone image. Tap on my adjust, and then you have auto adjust. So you see auto adjust, but it's not to my satisfaction. So I'm going to tap on adjust, and I'm going to apply two effects here. So I'm going to turn on my abundance light, and then my highlight as well. Okay, so these two is just okay like this. So this is the first step. Then the second step I need to take is I'm going to go to my curve, okay, and then click on my channel. Then I have luminance, and then I also have RGB. So I'm going to first go to my luminance, and then let's see, I'm going to, from here, for our shadows, I'm going to draw it down a little, not a little, and then for my highlight I'm going to increase it, so like this. So you can actually play around with these curves and see how it works for you, because how it works for one image is not going to be the same, because you might want to. The reason why this image is not too clear is because there is a bad contrast in this image. So we are trying to find a way to bring a good contrast to this image. So contrast actually means the darker part of the image, making it a little more darker, and then the brighter part, make it a little more brighter, right? So, and then I'm going to RGB. Let's see what we have, and then we can just as well play around with our RGB, and then let's see how it goes. So I think we have gotten something more better. Let's see what we have before, and then this what we have after. So the next step I need to take is I'm going to go to my details, right? And then my details, I'm going to increase my structure, okay, and then I'm going to go to my sharpening and then increase it also like this. So I don't make this too much, especially sharpening. So I'm going to tap on OK, and this is what we have. Let's compare to this is what we have before, and then this is what we have after. So we're actually getting there. So I think the last one more thing I need to do here is I'm going to go to my balance, white balance, right? Okay, it's supposed to be white balance, but I want to apply the effect through this place. Okay, if you look now, you're going to see another tool here. Okay, just tap on it, and then you have different options they're already giving you. So I'm not going to do a different kind of thing. I'm going to just tap on this effect, and it's going to apply it on my image. So I'm going to be using fine art. Okay, I'm going to tap on fine art, and then this is what I get here. Okay, now this I'm going to go to my the top of my screen here, and then go to view image, view edit. Okay, now I'm going to see all the effects that I have applied to this image. So you see the original, and then this is how we get to where we are now. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the black and white, and then go and tap on this brush icon here. Okay, and then I can decide to tap on my invert to invert the selection. So and now I'm going to decrease it. You can, if you look, you are going to see that what we have here is 0 black and white. Okay, you can increase it to 100, okay, in which if you are painting it, it's going to be applying the effect on the whole of image. And if you are decreasing it to 0%, then you can begin to clear these areas that you don't want this effect to be on. Okay, don't forget that I inverted my my selection. So now I'll start and cleaning those parts that I don't want this effect to be. Okay, and later I will reverse the invert. Then let's see what we get. Sorry, so here I will clear this part. I hope this video becomes a helpful one for you. Okay, then you can zoom it a little more and see clearly what you are playing around with. Okay, not bad. So I can increase it and then paint again this part that's supposed to carry this inverted effects. Okay, so finally this is where we got. Now I can reverse the invert, okay, and then this is it. Then I can go back and then paint these areas that I actually did not actually add the effect on. So here is it. Now later when we are done, we are going to tap on this and then this is what we got. Let's see what we have before and then let's see what we have after. Now we can actually do one more thing. We can try to play around and then see if we are going to do one more last thing with the curve. So let's go with the RGB and then we can just darken it a little. I'm brushing this one up a little. So this is what we get at the end of the day. You can see what we have at the end of the day, and this is what we have after, and then this is what we have before. So compare and contrast them and then see the difference between them. So if this video helped, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment our video, share this video, and let others learn from us too. Thank you guys for watching, and we promise to drop more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys. Goodbye from here.